Hey y'all, welcome back to Gear and Guitars with Mel. As usual, I am Mel, and today we are checking out this guitar right here. What this is the Epiphone Les Paul Custom KOA in natural. Look at that top. Look at that top. Oh, it's a beast. And then we got that beautiful mahogany back. And I do mean beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, I'm a big fan of this. So, as usual, mahogany body, mahogany neck, but instead of a all mahogany body or your average maple top, what we get is this beautiful KOA top. I mean, all that grain is sick. Other than that, you're looking at a Les Paul Custom. Block inlay, starting with the block on the first fret. You even get the split diamond now from the Epiphones. All right, it has a slim taper neck, which, you know, I've come to get used to. There's not really a Gibson equivalent. You know, they have the 60s, but the 60s neck that they roll is not the same as this is a hard D, and the Gibsons that I've played aren't quite like that. So you do get your 7-ply binding on the front. Yeah, well, you get your 5-ply binding on the back, and also at the headstock. So set up proper specs for a custom. This does have a long neck tenon, which I was kind of surprised. I mean, not really, because I have Epiphones from the past couple years with long neck tenons, but I just didn't know if it was going to be on this. 12-inch radius, like you're always going to get on a Les Paul. The pearloid inlays, like I said, 22 jumbo frets. Really, it's stark binding. It's pretty white binding. So yeah, if you're familiar at all with those Brazilian rosewood customs that they had, it's like that. It's a little lighter in the brown. They did have some that were in this color, but yeah, I love that KOA. It's a proper top too. Very happy about that. It's freaking beautiful. 24 3/4 scale length, 1.69 at the nut. I mean, it's a Les Paul Custom. So in the neck, we have the Pro Bucker 2, and we have the Pro Bucker 3 in the bridge. What I'll say about these pickups is the neck, I really like the neck. The bridge is okay. I'm getting spoiled. I have a lot of really nice pickups in my guitars, and I'm getting a little spoiled. It's absolutely serviceable, especially, so I'm not the guy that's playing much on the bridge pickup clean anyway. And that's the only spot where I was like, I'd like it to have a little more warmth, a little more bite. But that being said, as soon as you hit the dirt on it, it sounds the stuff. Yeah, I will say that it only lacks for me in the clean tones. And that's because I'm super picky. let's not pretend that this isn't awesome. So there's been a lot of like hubbub and craziness going on about like the Adam Jones Silverburst, and you know, everybody's picking up all these old customs. And the thing about a custom is I have one. That's obviously it's not Gibson, but I have a custom style single cut that is from Ishibashi in Japan, and it's amazing. So I wasn't gonna get another custom. I was like, yeah, that slot's already filled. But man, this thing here, there's just no way that I wasn't gonna do it. And now let me double check real quick. Yep, straight up 3-piece body. And it's nice because the full middle hunk is the one piece, and then it's got wings on it. So, you know, even keeping in the inspired by Gibson vein. You got these really nice gold Grovers on it. I'm a big fan. You know, Les Pauls and Grovers, they just kind of go together. You got the Epiphone lock tone stuff. If you've paid attention to my channel at all, you know that I'll probably take the bridge. I'll probably change the bridge. I'll probably change the posts. And that's just a preference thing. It's just what I do. But yeah, I couldn't pass it up. This thing is, it's beautiful. And I tell you, the grain matching they did for the back, they did a great job. Great job. I'm super impressed. Got this little light spot right here, so I'll always know which one's mine, right? Yeah, and I gotta thank Chris, my guy up at Sweetwater. I'm gonna put his picture up there and his information. You guys, I talk about it all the time, you know, that Sweetwater does me good and all that stuff. That guy is the reason that they treat me right. He does a great job. I'm sure they're a great company all in all, but I wouldn't know because I've never dealt with anybody but him. And he's always done right by me. Back to the guitar. Anyway, so like all the other new Epiphones, it comes with CTS pots. This one does have quick connects, Switchcraft switch. You know, it's 50s wiring, even though it's got the quick connects and it's hand wired. It's great. This is a badass guitar. You know, you got your speed knobs like you're gonna have on a custom. That's like the look I like on a custom. I don't mind the witch hats and stuff like that, but reflectors and all that good stuff I think should be saved for other models. But yeah, this guitar right here, it's so nice, so regal. And I gotta say, out of all the stuff that's awesome about it, I love the fact that it's a natural tuxedo. You know, so it's got all the appointments that you know, like Les Paul would have wanted on a custom, you know, the tuxedo appointments. Just happens to be natural on the top. But aside from that, this ebony fretboard, man. This fretboard is beautiful. And I mean beautiful. There was no tooling marks, nothing. Like, as good as I've seen on any guitar. Like, for real. things that's been driving you nuts. And you're sitting here and you're like, you know what? This guy was talking about giving stuff away, and this guy, yeah, I'm still here, was talking about all this noise and that and this and... So just as a heads up, just an FYI, when it comes down to it, this guitar screams sick. I love it. Legitimately everything that I want in a Les Paul custom. And I thought I had that because I do have a really good custom that is, I don't know, I'll have to shoot out my 2 customs, huh? I love doing that. I think I might. But yeah, this is an incredible guitar. I can't say enough about it. But I wanted to show you that you could get different kinds of distortion, different kinds of tones and stuff like that out of this guitar, and you could do it with the one pedal that I've decided we're giving away in this video. Oh, we're giving it away. See, the funny thing is I'm not going to put it in the thumbnail. I'm just going to put the video up about the guitar, so you guys are going to get to know this. So originally, what I wanted to do was I wanted to work something in with Igor for this pedal. So here's what we're going to do. For you to be able to have this pedal, and go back through the video, every single dirt tone was coming out of this. I was trying to adjust the parameters. This is a monster. It's a prototype. He's got one's going to be coming out soon, maybe a tweaked version, but this is the beta test of this pedal. And just a heads up, whoever gets it, this is your level. Everything else you can play around with. But so what I'm going to do is I'm going to have any of you guys that are subbed, you got to be subbed, you got to subscribe. I want you to go to StonegateFx.com and check out his stuff. But I also want you to go to StonegateFx on Instagram. I want you to give him a follow. Okay? I want you to go to the page on YouTube and give him a follow. When you're done with that, come back, type in the comments of this video, done. Now remember, StonegateFx, read it up there. Okay, so go to his YouTube and subscribe, maybe like a couple videos, check out his stuff. That's kind of what we're trying to do this for. I want people to know about him. Okay, and then go to his Instagram, follow him, come back, tell me done. Now, when you do that, I'll be able to cross-reference. I'll be able to check. Me and him will get together and we'll see who did that. And then out of those people that did those things, simple things, then we'll do a random drawing. And I'd like to see this go out to you as soon as possible. You know what I mean? Because I got some other stuff I want to get going with you. We got some guitars we want to give away. We got some more pedals. And just so you know, pedal series coming soon. We've already got it set up. Got a lot of stuff going on for us over here in the pedal world. I don't know if you can see any of that, but yeah, that's where we're at. Pedals to go through. Oh my God, I didn't have my V8. Oh, there we go. But yeah, a lot of pedals to go through. I hope I didn't get anybody sick on that. That's crazy. And we're gonna do that and go through those pedals. I have a lot of stuff that I'm finally getting to show you guys, and I'm stoked about that. We got some guitars to give away. We got some pedals to give away. I don't know. I think we should just get moving. I'm noticing that a lot of you are not subscribed. Just hit the sub button, man. Get in on this. Because, yeah, lots of giveaways coming. I'm not trying to, I guess I am trying to bribe you to subscribe. Bribe to subscribe. Hey now. Thanks for checking out Gear and Guitars with Mel. My camera dropped on me, can you tell? Thanks. I'll see you guys later, man.
Thank you.